Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this soft glam look using only Milani cosmetics. This look features a very soft cut crease with neutral tones, so you can wear it with any outfit. This is my personal style when I go to parties with big lashes and glowy skin, and I wanted to share it with you as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every week, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be informed every time I post a new update or a video. I've thoroughly moisturized my face, and now I'm using the Milani Soft Focus Glow. This is almost like a strobe cream but lighter than a strobe cream, and the shade that I'm using is Bronze Glow. I'm only going to use it on the high points of my face where I want my face to be illuminated, like my cheekbones, my chin, the bridge and tip of my nose, as well as forehead. This is a complexion enhancer, so it's also going to give your skin a very healthy glow, and it almost illuminates your skin from within. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is a 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, basically a very thick foundation. I bought the shade Tan, which is a tad deeper than my skin tone, but that's okay because I tend to get tan during summers, and also we can fix it with highlighters and concealers, so it's not a biggie. As you can see, the soft focus that I applied before this is adding to that beautiful glow on the high points of my face. It's the first time I'm trying this foundation, and I am in love. By far the best foundation that I've tried from a drugstore. I know why I haven't tried this before, probably because it says foundation plus concealer. I tend to shy away from products that claim to do too many things, but this coverage is insane. And I'm applying it with the Sigma Kabuki foundation brush. And the best part is it didn't even crease. Let me know if you guys have tried this foundation. There's a bit of residue left on the brush, so I'm going to use that on my ears before I put on my hoops. I don't need a concealer to conceal anything on my face because the foundation did a pretty good job, but I'm going to be using the concealer to highlight the high planes of my face, and the shade that I'm using is 145. This concealer is long wearing and full coverage and has a very creamy texture, so it's very blendable, but it also sets and dries very quickly. I'm going to very lightly set my face with the pressed powder in shade 6. When I say very lightly, I mean very lightly, because I still want that natural glowy skin. So I don't want too much powder on my face, and that's why I'm using a powder brush. First, I'm going to lightly set in areas where I applied the concealer to prevent it from creasing, and then I'll lightly dust the powder across my face. To fill in my brows, I'm going to be using the Easy Brow in dark brown, and I'm only going to be filling in the sparse areas to keep my brows looking as natural as possible. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Most Loved Mattes eyeshadow palette. First, I'm going to be taking this medium brown shade with a small definer brush. This brush is from Coastal Scents. I'm going to extend my lower lash line, and I'm going to carve out my outer corner as well as the crease. Using a larger blending brush, I'm going to start softening this line, and in the outer corner, I'm going to drag the shade outwards to get that elongated eye look. From the Shimmering Face palette, I'm taking this almost like a light antique gold shade, and I'm going to be applying this in the inner half of my lid using this flat shader brush from HipDot. And in the outer half, I'm going to be applying this matte ivory shade. It's easier to blend out matte shades, and that's why I'm using half and half. If you want, you can apply the shimmer shade throughout your lid or the matte shade throughout your lid, whatever you prefer. For a soft smoked out eyeliner look, I'm going to be using an eyeshadow as an eyeliner. I'm taking this deep brown shade with the same definer brush from Coastal Scents, and I'm using it in the outer corner, and then I'm going to take the blending brush and I'm going to blend it out so the outer corner looks a little bit more intense. I'm going to use the same shadow in my lower lash line. I'm going to smoke it out, but I'm going to leave the inner third open for the highlighter. I'm using the same light anti-gold shade in the inner corner as well as to highlight my brow bones. Using lighter shades attract more light and give the illusion of bigger, brighter eyes. In my waterline, I'm going to be using the Stay Put liner in Gold Digger. I'm going to prep my lashes by applying a coat of mascara. I'm using the 10-in-1 volume mascara. This is the highly rated mascara. And for lashes, I'm using my favorites. These are Brazen from Black Label. And that finishes up the eye makeup, and I'm really loving the way this turned out. To add that sun-kissed glow and to bring some dimension back to my face, I'm going to be using the bronzer in Sun Drenched. This is a matte bronzer, so I'm going to almost use it as a contour. And this bronzer is extremely pigmented, so all you need is very little, and I'm using a large angled brush to apply it. I'm also going to contour my nose using this flat toothbrush styled brush which I got in an oval brush set. I'm going to include that link in the description box below for you guys. I'm using this highlighter again to highlight my face or enhance the highlight that's already on my face because my face is already glowing. So all I need is very little, so I'm using a very delicate fan brush to apply it. And on my lips, I decided to go with a nude color with a mauvey undertone. So I'm using Adorable. This is the Milani matte liquid lipstick. And just so it doesn't look completely washed out, I'm applying number 19 with a brush just in the borders. And here's the completed look, and I think the ponytail and hoops really complement this look. Let me know what you guys think, and if you plan to recreate, don't forget to tag me. My Instagram and Facebook accounts are listed down below in the description box, along with all the products that I used today in this tutorial. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.